In the meantime, World Championships silver medalist Frederick Dacres says he will be speaking up on behalf of athletes in his new role as committee member on the J3A's executive. Dacres says his new role in the Garth Gale-led J3As will be one of an intermediary between athletes and the association.
Actually in the sport and actually know what's going on with the athletes and to actually be in the admin now to actually hear what's going on with admin. It may be necessary for me to actually probably calm the athletes in terms of what's going on because they don't know. So as in terms of information, I'd be the go-to person for both sides. So I think sport will be better now because I'll definitely be speaking out in terms of what athletes want and what admin can do for them and what they can't do for them and vice versa.
And Dacres says in no way does this new role compromise his ability to ruffle a few feathers on behalf of the athletes if needed.
No, I think over the years, I think the reason I was chosen, I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing that I was chosen because I've always been, I guess, a voice of reason in terms of athletes. So it is mandatory for me to actually speak up. So I have no problem speaking up for what is needed.